Is your computer running very slow despite having an updated virus protection, high processor, good memory size of RAM, and a video card? If you do,
Yes.
you are on the right video. Stay tuned and I will show you how to fix it. Hi, thank you for watching. I hope you are doing great. Today, we will talk about MSCONFIG. We will discuss what it is and how it can help your computer's performance. We hope this video will help you maximize the full potential of your computer by making sure that no other programs are running in the background that affects your computer speed. I'm Val and this is the latest computer tutorial video series of My Metro Lifestyle. If you missed the last video about how to fix virus and threat protection, you may click the video link from the description box below. If you have not subscribed yet, just click subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can update you with our future computer tutorial uploads. MSCONFIG is also known as System Configuration. It is the troubleshooting tool of your Windows computer where you may temporarily disable or re-enable software, device drivers, or Windows services that run during the startup process. This tool allows the user to know what other programs or services affect the computer performance. Because of the number of downloads and program installation we do with our computers, some of these applications run automatically in the background, causing the computer to run slow. Before your computer do what you ask it to process, it will check first all the enabled programs in the startup. It is one of the main reasons why computers take time to boot up or load your desktop. That is why no matter how upgraded your computer parts are, you might want to do MSCONFIG from time to time to see if some programs are snooping around. Here are the steps in configuring your computer system using MSCONFIG. Looking at your screen on the lower left-hand side, look for the search bar that says Type here to search. Type MSCONFIG and left-click on the system configuration from the search result above. Once the system configuration window is open, left-click on Startup tab and left-click on Open Task Manager hyperlink. Maximize the Task Manager window and look for all the programs that should not be included in the startup process. In other words, disable all the programs that you do not need to work automatically in the background while your computer is starting or restarting. To do this, highlight or click the name of the program you wanted to disable and click the Disable button on the lower right-hand side of the window. After disabling all the unnecessary programs from the Startup tab, close the Task Manager by clicking the X on the upper right-hand side of the window. Now that we are done with the Program tab, let us now move on to the Service tab and left-click it. When you get to the Service window, it is okay to see multiple enabled services. So please do not panic. Although it is an advantage if you know the services that you do not need to be activated during the startup, but if you don't, do not worry. Just click the tick box that says Hide all Microsoft services on the lower left of the service window and uncheck all the services above. Left-click the Apply button on the lower right of the window and left-click again on OK to confirm the changes. The final confirmation window will show on the screen. If you want the changes to take effect immediately, left-click on Restart Now. If you need to do something and want the changes to take effect the next time your computer starts, left-click on Exit Without the Restart. Comment down below what you think about this MSCONFIG video. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can always update you with our future computer tutorial uploads. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.